Example 2, draw greater than cumulative frequency distribution curve OZ curve for the given group of data and find median for the graph. Example 2, draw greater than cumulative frequency distribution curve, that is OZ curve, for the given group of data and find the median from the graph. We have to find the median for the graph from the graph. Okay. So here the given data, the class intervals 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. These are the class intervals. Okay, and the frequency is 2. So again the class 5 to 10 is 2, and 12, 10 to 15 is 12, 10 to 15 is 12, and 15 to 22, and 4, 3, 4, 3. So this is the frequency. So this is the frequency. To draw the greater than cumulative frequency, distribution, we have to take lower limits. These are the lower limits. So average of these 10 and 10 is 10. Okay, and similarly, so these are the lower limits, lower boundaries. Okay, so write these are the lower boundaries. Okay, now write all these 5, 10 and 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35, last one. So these are lower limits, lower boundaries. These are the lower boundaries. Now in this we have to take greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency. Greater than cumulative frequency. Okay, so greater than cumulative frequency, how we write? So this is the frequency. So write this 3. Now add these two. 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 plus 3, add these 3, 10. Now 10 plus 4, 14, and 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 12, how much? 28, and 28 plus 2, 30. So this is greater than cumulative frequency. So 30, 28, 16, 14, 10, 7, 3. So this is greater than cumulative frequency. So now we have to locate points on the graph according to this order pair: 5, 30, 10, 28, 15, 16, 20, 14, 25, 10, 30, 7, 35, 3. To these order pair, we have to locate points on the graph. Okay. So this is x-axis. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. On x-axis we have to take boundaries, and on y-axis we have to take cumulative frequency. So here the cumulative frequency, highest frequency, the cumulative frequency is 3, 7, 10, 14, 16, 28, 30. The highest value is 30, and in boundaries the highest value is 35. Okay, now see on this graph here. Okay, so this is 5 and 10 and this is 15, it is 20, 25, 30, 35. So these are the boundaries. Now we have cumulative frequency 30, highest value is 30. Okay, so therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we can locate 2 into 16, 38. So we can locate 38 points on this graph. So we have 30 is the biggest value, cumulative frequency. So take 2 points, 2 units on y axis, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, like that. So here scale on x axis, on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to, on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units, 5 units, and on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, this is the scale of this graph. Now locate one by one. So here lower boundary is 5 and cumulative greater than cumulative frequency is 30. So 5 and 30 we have to locate 5 and 30. So boundary is 5 and cumulative frequency is 30. So this is 30. Okay, now 10, 28. So this is 10 and 28 is where is the 28 and this is 24, 26, 28. Okay, so this is the value which represent lower boundary 10 and cumulative frequency 28. And the next point is 15, 16. Next point 15, this is the lower boundary 15 and so this is the 16. So this is the point which represent cumulative frequency 16 and lower boundary 15. Now next one is 20 and 14. So lower boundary 20, this is 20 lower boundary and this is 14. So this point represents the lower boundary 20 and cumulative frequency 14. Then 25, 10. So this is 25 and this is 10. Okay, so this is the point which represent lower boundary 25 and cumulative frequency 10. 37, lower boundary 30 and cumulative frequency 7. So 30. Okay, so this is 6 and this is 8. So between 8 and 6 we have 7. So this is 7. Okay, so this value represents lower boundary 30 and cumulative frequency 7. So between 6 and 7. Now last one is 35 and 3. So 35. So this is 35. 35 and 3. So this is 2 and this is 4. So between 2 and 4 we have 3. Okay. So this point represents lower boundary 35 and cumulative frequency 3. So these are the points. Now these are the points. Now join these. Okay. So this is the this is the graph, this is the curve, OZ curve, which represents greater than cumulative frequency curve or OZ curve. Okay. So here the total number of observations, the sum of all these frequencies is 30. Okay. Sum of all these frequencies is 30. Okay. So here 2 plus 4 12 14, 14 plus 2 16, plus 4 20, plus 3 23, plus 4 27, plus 3 30. So sum of all these n is equal to 30. Okay. So n by 2 is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15. So the half of the n value is 15. Okay. Now on the graph, on cumulative frequency, locate which is the point represents 15. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So this is the point which represents 15. Okay. So draw a line parallel to the x-axis from point 15. So this is the point 15 which touches this graph here. Now from that, draw a point parallel to the y-axis, parallel to the y-axis. So this is the point. What is this? This is 14. Okay, this is 15 now. So on x-axis this value is 14. So therefore the median m is equal to 14. So this value is the median value. This is the median value. Okay. So this is 14.